Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $3.2343. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a clear U pattern is forming. Okay, you have to keep this in mind that this particular U pattern is very important because this particular pattern is showing a downside if the price started going below a level of $3, because this is already weak at this particular level of this, which is at around $3. So keeping that in mind, that if the price started going below $3, there is a higher chance of going further low. As soon as the price started going below this particular level, chance of touching 2.8 we can see, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 2.73 we can see. And if that didn't sustain, a further fall can be seen towards a level of around 2.61. This 2.61 is already weak, so we can see the price can fall further down, and these two levels are already tested, so we can see the price can move further down. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, there is a first thing that we can see, there is a high probability of moving down if the price started falling below $3. But if it started sustaining this level, because see, there is a pattern is forming towards an upside, so if the price started going above level of 3.2, we can see there can be a further upside. After 3.2, we can see there can be an upside. If it started going below $3, we can see a further fall. These two patterns are, this is the zone. Okay, so if the price started going above 3.2, we can see the price can move above a level of $3.3. This $3.3 is already being tested, so the price can rise above that level and it can move further upside. So if the price moving up this level, probability of going further upside can be seen, and it can move towards 3.48, and chances are very high. You have to understand that as soon as the price started going up 3.2, probability of crossing a level of 3.48 will be there, because that level is already weak, so the price can rise above that level and it can touch a level of $3.65. Okay, and this is the zone we can see. But if it started falling below this particular level, what we can see, this is the trend we have seen. So if it started going below this level, chance of touching 2.99 we can see, which is around $3, and this level is already tested, so we can see the price can fall further down and it can touch a level of $2.92. And if the price falling below that particular level, chance of going towards 2.86 we can see, and if the price falling below 2.86, chance of touching 2.63 we can see. This 2.63 is already tested, so we can see the price will fall further down, and yes, after that the price can move further low and it can touch a level of $2.55. Okay, and this is the zone we can see. Now understand something. See, this pattern is supporting an upside and the price is already above this particular level of $3.2. So if the price comes close to this particular level, we can see a bounce back, which is very close to it. Okay, and I've already explained you that if the price keep moving over 3.2, a further upside can be seen. This pattern is supporting an upside, so chances are high we can see there can be a further rise towards a level of 3.3 and then further upsides. This pattern is supporting an upside, as well as this pattern is supporting an upside, so we can see a further upside. So but if the price started going below 3.2, goes below a level of 3.18, we can see a further downfall. Okay, and once started going below 3.13, a further fall can be seen. Okay, now but if the price started going below this level, a probability of further down towards 2.93 we can see, and then from there it will move below $2.6. And if the price falling below $2.6, we can see a level of 2.36, and then a further fall can be seen. Okay, now if the price started going up this level, probability is high it can move further upside and can move towards 3.48 to a level of 3.6, and then we can see it can move towards $3.67, and this is the level we have seen, so probability of further upside can be seen. Okay, why I'm explaining you this pattern, because you have to understand the price is continuously on the downside from as soon as the price started hitting 4.9. Okay, but if you look at the overall trend, there is a further downfall we have seen from when the price was starting around $9. Okay, from there we have seen a war situation has come at this particular level and the price was continuously down. So remember, as soon as the price started going up 3.6, we can see a further upside towards $4, and once started going up $4, there is a probability of further high. Okay, and understand 3.2 is an important level. If it's sustained, we can see a further upside. The price is already above this level, so we can see there can be a rise. But if it started going below $3, we can see a further downfall.